this lesson, I will introduce to you how to do route planning. Enter the automatic operation interface, and the plots of land owned by the current account near the positioned location will be displayed. Choose the slot of land we want to operate it. Select a different side, side 1/side 2, the planned route will be parallel to the selected side, highlighted in orange. A safety distance can be set for each side, and the safety distance can be set by adding and subtracting buttons, or directly inputting numbers. Click the Safety Distance button to uniformly set the safety boundary distance and obstacle boundary safety distance. The boundary safety distance indicates the distance between the route and the area boundary, and the obstacle boundary safety distance indicates the distance between the obstacle boundary and nearby routes. Choose an appropriate route spacing. When the route direction of the plot boundary is not suitable for the operation, you can use any angle disc to adjust the route angle. In the actual operation, during the plots of land, there may have several routes that do not need to be operated. These unused routes can be deleted by deleting waypoints. The specific operation is, click the icon of the waypoint serial number of the deleted route, and click in the prompt box that pops up, enter the sequence number of the endpoint of the deleted route, and then confirm. After the completing of route planning, click the Next button, finish the planning and enter the route operation interface. When planning the route, please make a reasonable plan based on the actual situation. Remember to set a certain safety distance in order to reduce the risk.